Hello there, Aqua Nomics pressure washing. Today I am here to show you what you can improve about your website, what SEO is, and how it can benefit your business. Okay, so first thing I really wanted to talk about was your website. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty well-rounded website. Uh, hmm, I there are some things that you're missing though. So one thing that I would add on this homepage, instead of having a whole page for your reviews, I would just have it like right here. I would just like put it right here alongside this. Actually, I'd have this up above all of the reviews, and it'd just be like a slider with all of the reviews coming through, and what all your customers said. And now you're probably asking yourself, well, how would I get like more reviews? You could just have like a slider of all these reviews that are going through, and like they don't start over with the same four reviews, okay? Because then the customer's like, oh, that's a lot of people, like make sure you have a lot of reviews on there. So you can do in order to get these reviews, say I'll give you a $100 rebate on your roofing, not your roofing, I mean on your pressure washing, or like give them 10% off or something like that, if they leave you a nice review on your website. Okay, so that'll just motivate the customer a bit more to give you a good review. Okay, so yeah, another thing that I would change is this black right here. I would change this to like a lighter blue, and then I'd change this to like a sort of grayish blue, like a light blue right here, like a super light grayish sort of blue. And then this would be this right here. This would have to be like a darker blue than that to add some contrast. Okay, and this right here, I wouldn't want it gray. I would just leave it. I wouldn't put a real like buttons here. I would just leave it as the lettering. As I would leave it. I would put the lettering as white, and then when you hover over it, I'd have the lettering change colors to be gray. Okay, but that's just color things. Okay, that's minor, but it can also cause great conversions from your website. And yeah, that's about all I really wanted to talk about your website, really. But I also like the slider right here. Great job on that. So let's just move over to the SEO section of this video. Okay. So you're probably you're wondering what's SEO. Okay. What is SEO and how can it help me? So search engine optimization is ranking for a keyword. This being the keyword right here. Okay. And so ranking for that keyword would be getting number one right here. Okay. So this guy has the number one ranking in Google for the keyword pressure washing Atlanta. Okay, so if you get a number one ranking, 40% of those, 40% of the search traffic that you get from that number one ranking, goes to your website. Okay, so let's just move over to SpyFu real quick. SpyFu keyword planner, keyword research actually. So we look at pressure washing Atlanta right here, and we see that it gets 210 searches a month. Okay, that's the search volume. Those people aren't going to your website, but if you have a first page ranking, 40% of these people, 40% of 210 go to your website. Okay, so let's just plug that into the calculator real quick. Let's put in 210. Multiply this by multiply that by 0.4. Okay, and now we get 84. And you're probably like, well, Zed, 84 people a month? I'm about to click off of this video because of how, like, non-enthusiastic I am about that number. Okay, so thing is, with SEO, you don't want to rank for just one keyword because you get small search volume like that, okay? So if you want to, with SEO, you usually want to rank for 10, 20, or 30 different keywords, okay? But most of the time, you're going to want to start off with 10 and then rank for 10 more and then another 10. And as it goes on, you target the 10 major keywords and then you target another 10 keywords, but they're going to be less, they're going to be a little bit more, like get a bit less search volume, but it'll still help you out a lot, okay? So, yeah. So if we say rank for 10 keywords, okay, let's multiply 10 times, and let's say they're averaging, let's say 76 search volume each, okay? So this is how many people search for the terms, each of these keywords, okay? And there are 10 of them, which is why I'm multiplying it by 10, okay? And that's equal to 760. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this by 0.4, which is the amount of people coming to your website if you get a first page ranking for all 10 of these keywords, okay? So Now we're at 304. And yeah, 304 people going to your website every month. Okay, so it's recurring. Okay, it's recurring. It happens every single month, so it's not just like a one-time thing. It's not like it's like a one-time promotion thing. It keeps on. It's reoccurring every month that you have that first page ranking for. All right, so we're just gonna right now I'm just going to multiply this again by your conversion rate with the new site with a couple new improvements and a review funnel on the homepage instead of on a whole different page. Okay, so I'm assuming that if you do all of those things that I stated in the whole website review section, I'm assuming that you will get at least 13%, 13% search volume. I mean, not search volume. I am so sorry. Conversion rate as your conversion rate. So now we have 39.52. Let's just round that up to 40 because I don't like decimals. And yeah, so now you have 40 people a month buying from you, okay? Reoccurring every month that you have that first page ranking, you're gonna have 40 people buying from you, giving you their money in return for your pressure washing, okay? And yeah, that'll be it for this video. If you want to contact me and we can discuss this furthermore, I am in Atlanta, so we can meet and discuss this if so be. And I left my phone number in there as well with the times that you should call me, so that so you can call me if you want to, and we can discuss it then too, or you can email me. Just reply to this email, and yeah, we can discuss it there as well. And I'll make you a free marketing plan if you do any of those things. I'll tell you exactly what each part of the marketing plan does, how it's beneficial to you, and the projections for each part of it as well, and the projections for the whole marketing plan as a whole too. All right, so this is Ed, and bye. Thank you.